To migrate liquidity to Uniswap v3, you need to understand the basics of Uniswap and the differences between version 2 and version 3. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. The first step is to connect your wallet to Uniswap v3. You can do this by going to the Uniswap website and clicking on the Connect Wallet button. This will prompt you to select your wallet provider and authorize the connection. Once connected, you need to migrate your liquidity from Uniswap v2 to Uniswap v3. This can be done by using the Migrate tool provided by Uniswap. The tool will guide you through the process of migrating your liquidity, which involves withdrawing your liquidity from Uniswap v2 and redeploying it on Uniswap v3. It is essential to understand the concept of concentrated liquidity in Uniswap v3, which allows liquidity providers to allocate their capital more efficiently. You can choose to provide liquidity in a custom range, which allows you to maximize your returns while minimizing your risk. When migrating your liquidity, you should be aware of the gas fees associated with the migration process. You can use tools like Gas Now to estimate the gas fees and plan your migration accordingly. Best practices for migrating liquidity to Uniswap v3 include providing liquidity in a range that is aligned with your risk tolerance, monitoring your liquidity positions regularly, and adjusting your strategy as market conditions change. In conclusion, migrating liquidity to Uniswap v3 requires a good understanding of the protocol and its features. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully migrate your liquidity and start earning returns on Uniswap v3.